In this video, I'll show you straight stitch. This is what a few straight stitches will look like. Straight stitch forms the base for so many stitches, and if you can do straight stitch, you can stitch almost anything you like. Straight stitch is super simple. Start by bringing your needle up through your fabric. Bring your needle back down any distance, and that's it. If you can do straight stitch, you're on your way to learning loads of other stitches, including back, stem, outline, split back, and so much more. But even if all you want to use is straight stitch, that's fine too.